Hello everyone. Today I will be demonstrating the two circular method of knitting in the round. If you're a subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, I put out knitting tutorial videos every Friday. Please be sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. Today I will be demonstrating the two circular method for knitting in the round. It sounds maybe a little complicated, but it's really not. This is my favorite method for working socks. I have a sock on the needles right now. With the two circular method, you cast on half of your number of stitches onto one circular needle and the other half of your stitches onto another circular needle. For socks, I usually do one at a time, so I use two 16-inch fixed circular needles. Then, as you work across, so I'm at the end of one needle and ready to begin knitting right here. I take the other end of the needle on that holds these stitches right here, and I pull it until my stitches are ready to be knit on the other end of that needle right there. And I use the other end of this needle to work these stitches. I don't touch the other needle. The other needle is not used to work these stitches because that needle is holding my other stitches. My yarn is coming from the wrong side. Like so, and that needle may flop around a little, but it's being ignored. I push my stitches as needed on this one circular. Then as I come to the end, I drop that needle, I pull the needle tip to place those stitches on the cable portion of this needle so they're nice and safe, they're not going anywhere. I turn to get to the other half, and now I find the other end of this circular needle and I pull or push the needle tip to get those stitches in working position. I grab the other end of that circular needle right there, and I begin working those stitches. And that is really it. That's all there is to it. You are using two needles to have half the stitches, and the one needle is only used to knit the one half of the stitches, and the other needle is only used to knit the other half of the stitches. If you accidentally start to use the other needle, you will end up with all of your stitches on one single circular needle, and that is not what we're aiming for. I find this method easier for me personally than the magic loop method. But give it a try and see if you like it. I hope you enjoyed this video and that it was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.